Hello everyone and welcome to Shuli Tech Classes. Today it's our third class for CBSE Class 10 for the subject Artificial Intelligence. We are doing the first chapter of AI, Introduction to AI. We have already covered the topics what is intelligence and what is decision making. And today we are going to cover the topic human intelligence versus artificial intelligence and also how do machines learn. So without any further ado, let's get started. Just think, when do we call a person intelligent? Well, if he has the observational skills, if he can recognize things like fruits, animals, places, stars, if he can understand the situations or the problems, if he can learn new things to improve his knowledge, if he can make decisions, and if he can solve problems, then we call a person is intelligent, right? What if I add all these qualities into a machine? Well, if I add all these qualities into a machine, then the machine will become intelligent. See, the word artificial intelligence is derived from two words. One is artificial and one is intelligence. Artificial means man-made, means anything which is not natural is created by human being. And intelligence means the ability to make decisions, the ability to predict the future, and the ability to learn new things to improve knowledge. Means when a machine is able to mimic human traits, that is, make decisions, predict the future, learn and improve on its own, it is said to have artificial intelligence. A machine is artificially intelligent when it can accomplish tasks by itself, collect data, understand it, analyze it, learn from it, and then improve itself. And now we will try to understand how we can make a machine intelligent. Let us first try to understand how a human being learns and becomes intelligent. See, learning is a continuous process from our birth till death. Every moment we keep learning new things. Suppose we want to teach a child about an apple. Then we will try to give him maximum information about the apple. Like we will tell him about the sound of apple, about the color of apple, about the taste of apple, about the shape of apple. Or to make his learning interesting, we will even teach him about some rhymes of apple. We give him so much of information about apple so that he can be familiar with an apple. Means if we want to teach something to the child, we need to provide him maximum information about that thing, and gradually he will be able to understand and learn about it, right? Let's take one more example. Daily we meet so many people in train, in buses, in markets, on roads. How many faces we can recognize? We will not be able to recognize most of them. If I ask you about this person, I hope you know him. He is Bill Gates. I think we have never met him, but still we are able to identify him. How is it possible? See, when we encounter a face again and again, gradually we start recognizing that face. You must have noticed that daily we go to some marketplace. We see so many faces there, but the faces that we see regularly, we become familiar to them and we start identifying them, right? Means when you see a face again and again, its images are stored in your mind. And more you look at the face, more and more images are stored in your mind. And gradually you learn that image, and so you start identifying that face. And the same process is followed by machines if we want to make a machine intelligent. Suppose we want to make a machine to learn about anything, then we give a lot of data about that to the machine. The data that we provide to the machine is called the training data. From that training data, the machine model gets trained and learns. And then after training, we test the intelligence of that model. So the way we learn, machines also use the same way to learn. Let's take a real life example. Take any app like Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, or any other such app. We use them almost daily. Let's take the case of Amazon. Suppose you have searched for a pair of shoes on Amazon, and now whether you have purchased them or not, but Amazon will start giving you recommendations for shoes. Whenever you will open the app again, you will see shoes recommendations from Amazon. And not only on Amazon, but if you open any other app like Google or Facebook, Instagram, or any other app or website, you will get shoes recommendations there also. How do these apps come to know that you are interested in buying shoes? See, whenever you search anything, your search data is stored in the device. Whatever you do on internet, like you like anything or dislike anything, you search anything, you visit any website, or you give rating to anything, or you watch any video, all the data is stored in your device. And the apps and websites take data from there to learn about your interests. And on that basis, they start giving you suggestions or recommendations. Means the way we learn, the same process is followed by them. Here, likes, dislikes, ratings, search history are working as training data. And this data is used to train the apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix so that they can learn your interest and digital behavior. And after training, they start giving you recommendations. So, from this example, I hope you are able to understand how machines learn. So, today we have learnt about human intelligence, about machine intelligence, how human beings learn, and how machines learn. I hope this video was useful for you. In our next video, we will discuss about what is AI and what is not AI. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Take care and bye-bye.